thing I saw in Kerala. That is Kela chips, which is famous everywhere in Kerala. So I have bought few packets for people in home. This is a big kadai or pan, we can say. Right in pan there is coconut oil, and they are cooking this kela or banana in coconut oil. So this was already this first lot is almost prepared. So I hope it will take 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes they prepare good quantity of, I believe it must be 4-5 kilo of chips. So the chips is almost ready. This pan is clean. So see, there is a machine, and now see how chips are going. So this is how he's making, and this is very tasty. I bought a kilo of it, and I found it amazing. So I thought just to see how they prepare it, how they cook it, and this is how it goes. And again they'll fry it deep till it colors changes to yellow, and after that chips is ready. So it is very fast. See how he is picking the bananas. At least 15-20 bananas in one karai, right? Weight wise, how many kilos?
500.
5 kilos every time. Okay, so 5 kilo of chips will be ready, right? And now again he'll fry it. And you have added, what is this? So,
Salt water.
oh, water. So salt water. Okay, he has added salt water in this. So you will be on YouTube tomorrow. Fine. So now the process is the same. He'll fry it deep till its color changes to yellow, and after that chips is ready. There are so many packets behind. So some of the chips, if you buy, they won't pack. Otherwise, they will pack it, and that will get into the market. That's how the chips is prepared. Thank you. Thank you. What is your name? Basant. Hi, Basant. Thank you. Are you from Kerala? Nepal. Oh, how? So how are you finding India? Good. Nice meeting you, Basant. Thank you. Thank you. So this is how Kela chips was prepared. Thank you, Basant. Bye.